guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shaman Britt, and we are here to keep watching Chainsaw Man. We're on episode 11. We're almost to the end. I'm very excited to watch this episode. Aki was about to meet the future devil, Denji and Power are undergoing some ridiculous training, right? It's pretty dope stuff that's going on, and it's about to be cut short. I'm so nervous. But before we get into this episode, I wanted to take a moment again to just say thank you, everyone. We've hit 3,000 subs. I'm freaking stoked. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means a lot to me, and it makes me really happy. So thank you. So anyways, now that I've said my thanks, let's go ahead and get the episode started of Chainsaw Man, episode 11, Shaman. Oh my gosh, here it is. Right now. Future Devil. We're getting right into it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, Aki.
Psycho! Mirai! Psycho! Mirai! Psycho!
What the f-
Mirai! Psycho! お前も未来最高と叫びなさい。俺はお前と契約をしたが俺の何が欲しいか言え。過去最悪な態度。早くお腹に頭を突っ込み。
What? Oh my god, oh my god, okay. What did he see? What?
どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか。お前は言わなくてもいい。自分の死に方には興味。俺は俺がこやつを殺せれば、あとさっさと目に入れ。
Holy shit, Aki, you are such a badass. I love that he didn't want to know either. I don't think I'd want to know.
今日から指導は毎日じゃなくていいな。週一。
やったー。
はいの時でも常に今日を頭に入れて、その作戦で失敗したらよ。
Damn. No pressure.
そん時は俺はせんで見逃してやるよ。そうすりゃマキマさんとランデブー。
What a goober. No reaction.
お疲れ様でした。デンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いし。
この年になるとボケてきちゃう。
Aw. How could you not, bro?
お前、分かっていて見逃したな。
私も襲撃に遭いましたよ。
お前がどんなひどい犬を殺そうと。
私は悪魔から四課の存在を積極的に報道することにより悪魔から人を救える。
嘘つき。
Yeah, I don't believe her. That sounded like a robotic practice response. I totally am on his side. She is a liar.
組長は別荘に移動してもらっています。女黙れ。かもれないように。
Bitten.
何のことですか。には秘密兵器がいる。じいちゃんの置き土産。
No.
クズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団。
ゾンビに噛まれたのはゾンビになる。四課を終わらせる。
What?
帰ります。もう会うこともないやろうし、アキ君は銃の悪魔でも銃の悪魔を殺そうなんて思いますに考えれば無理ってわかりますもん。弱いくせに漫画の主人公を掲げて痛くてサボイボ立つわ。得意課にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
公安のお客さんだ。高市をよしろ。
ご協力ありがとうございます。
Interesting.
なんかね。
Weird.
人類諸君と変わらないね。
見にいる銃の予約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもら
入れて反省させてください。
No, she's gonna kill
ま
him.
た他の組の方のもお願いします。
お嬢ちゃん、もう告げ口バレたら組同士で戦争が起こり。
民の安全のためでご協力お願いします。
嬢ちゃん、身内同士で潰し合ってみんな日本に入って。確かに俺たちも悪さはしてるけどね。ほどひどいことしちゃうよ。それを俺たちが防いでるんだ。
I have such a bad feeling.
っているように、俺たちヤクザも外国人から日本人を守って。デビルハンターは学のないバカが。 明日がねじゃんよ。
That's not a
これは
bribe.
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじ、目です。
目？
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。協力していただけるのならの人を紹介します。
Oh my god. What the fuck?
あなたの言う必要悪というものは、必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
地
Holy.
下と一回入り口得意4課に任せ
She's terrifying,
で
guys.
きるだけ公安を奪う。その後はあまり熱くなるなよ。
帰りてえなら帰りゃいい。俺は特訓したからぶっ殺してやる。
頭も良くなったからよ。楽勝じゃ。
Oh my gosh, Power, I love you. I love it. Still fucking laughing.
作戦
作戦はない。僕以下全員を
No plan. You guys just go in. Oh my god.
今回警察と地下の出入り口を福井4課で中、その上でお前たちが注意すべきことは一つ。4課の誰かたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。4課
ゾンビゾンビ
サメの魔人、壁の
What
怪
the?
人、どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿で
ごめんな、噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
魔人、本来魔人になると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、毒が出る仮面をつけさせて、何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
そこのジョーちゃん、逃げた方がいいよ。人間が噛まれるとゾンビになっちゃうよ。なんだ、悪魔か。
雲の悪魔、普段は人間のような形をしている。その姿に近い悪魔は悪魔だ。感触で人を殺すぞ。
汚れた。こいつ最悪。
天使の悪、こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取るからな。
What?
そこの君、ハンカチ持ってない。よく僕に近づくれられたら寿命短くなる。
Dang.
命令された。まあ、
お前らここは魔人だ。サムライソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。当てはあんのかよ。ない。手分けして探せ。
This is nuts! I can't believe all the people I just met just now. I'm like in shock. We're gonna have to rewind it and like meet everybody again. Dang. You gonna use the future devil now? Damn. We know who that was. Yup. Yup. There she is.
おとなしく投稿し
レディ。あいつを殺せ。
What?
前よりも動けるな。
僕の力を使えば君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
Holy. Come on, Aki. Come on, bro.
見えるだけだけどね。
Oh.
そのまま絞め殺せ。
No. Are you shitting me? I can't believe this. I'm like, ugh. All right, let's appreciate this. This is pretty dope right now. Animation's cool. That girl we don't trust, y'all. So cool. Yeah, I'm digging this. Holy smokes. Y'all. That episode had so much. So much. Okay, let's talk about the outro first. It was gorgeous. Okay. The art, so clean and like the kind of 3D-ish feel to it. Loved it. It was kind of futuristic. Almost what felt like a blend of like, yet again, kind of that, I feel like they did this before where it was almost a blend of like realism, like realistic imagery, combined with still an anime style, and it gives it such a unique vibe. Really liked it, and the music was so fun. I don't know if I'd say it was 100% fitting, but I enjoyed it a lot. That episode had so much for us that I think it was hard to encompass that episode in one song. That was difficult, but it was really fun. I loved the scene of power dancing. Oh my gosh, loved that. Like, that made me happy. Oh goodness. I'll probably rewatch that again, just that part. I just loved that part, the animation of it, and she just looked, I don't know, it was just so power vibes. It was so good. Yeah, so I really did like that outro a lot. It was cool. It was kind of interesting seeing it all and seeing it and everyone in full black and white. You know, the episode is normally filled with blood splatter every time, so that was kind of refreshing, kind of different to see it all in, you know, that kind of monotone color scheme. So I liked it a lot. Now for the episode itself, hot damn. Okay, Makima, what the fuck? I mean, there's no other words for that, guys. She had the eyeballs of their loved ones, and I'm pretty sure she just ended up killing everybody in there. And then she also used them to kill the other people that Aki was fighting, because they also bled from their eyes. And then fucking what's-her-face snake chick was bleeding from her eyes too. But maybe she was just using her power too much. I don't know. But Makima, I don't even, there are hardly words. Terrifying. She can't be fully human. There's no way. I don't buy it. And like when their teacher, when Denji and Power's teacher was talking to her, he was like, when he called her a liar, yes, 100% yes. I did not buy any of her excuse. Not a single bit of it. Or not rather excuse, reasoning. I just don't buy it. She's up to something. She knew all of those people were gonna die. And did you see like the smile? The smile on her face when she was responding to him, when he asked her that? The look on her face, the response, like I said when I was watching it, it was so like robotic, flat affect that I just, A, you're not human. Well, fully human. And B, you're a fucking liar. I do not trust you. I am now 100% not trusting you. I'm intrigued by you. And I know Denji wants you, but I don't trust you at all now, like at all. Yeah, that was Denji and Power have basically almost graduated from their training, which is cool. I'm stoked to kind of see what they can do better, how their fighting has changed. Power, oh my gosh, she just killed me this episode. The little bit of power we had was phenomenal. When she said, yeah, our minds have been sharpened, and then just started laughing uncontrollably. Ah, I loved that. I loved that. I loved that. Warms my heart every time. And Aki, oh my gosh, Aki in the beginning with the fucking Future Devil. Okay, the Future Devil, fucking awesome. First of all, he was dope. I was not expecting him to be that charismatic, I guess, and weird, and in a weird way kind of likable. I don't know, he was silly, but the fact that all he wants to do is just chill with Aki until he dies and his death is gonna be fucking awesome. What? I loved this episode. And then oh my gosh, and then everyone, all the new people we got to meet, I don't know, we didn't get their names. It was just like the Angel Devil, the Violence Devil, the Shark Devil, and the Spider Devil. They're all fiends pretty much. Spider Devil, creepy as shit. Violence Devil, fuck us up with the mask. Shark Devil, oh my god, cool. Reminded me of what's his face from My Hero. The dude who has the permeation. Forget his name. Mirdo? I don't remember his name. But reminded me of that, but really opposite character. Like, right? Like, except for the eyes. I feel like his eyes are kind of beady shark eyes. But besides that, and the swimming obviously. But oh my gosh, the Shark Devil, wild. Okay, and just the idea that the Violence Devil is a devil. Violence. That broad idea, word. It's not even a physical, tangible thing that you can like touch. Like we already knew that, like with the Future Devil. Like I knew that was a thing already, but I don't know. It's just interesting. Like I love learning more about the world. So seeing a devil like this and the Angel Devil, what? Has no like animosity towards humans, but if it comes into contact with a human, it will drain your life. Not like that, but will drain some of your life away. What? That is cool. And also, it took a bite. The Angel Devil took a bite out of one of the zombies. Like, yeah, and Aki was so cool. So cute, so cool with the Future Devil when he like interrupted him and didn't want to know how he died. Okay, maybe A, it's because it'd be kind of scary, but B, I think it's just because he's a badass. He's like, fuck it, I really don't care. And don't want to know because it doesn't matter. And then Aki was also doubly cool when he said when he was in the car with fucking the two dudes who have, well, one's chick, one's a dude, who have the scar on their nose. When that guy said the guy driving was like, you kind of pissed me off. I loved Aki's response. It was like, he said something to the extent of, I recognize my goal is impossible or seems impossible, and that doesn't stop me. If I fail, fucking laugh at me, but I'm gonna try. And I know that I couldn't live with myself basically any other way, and you gotta respect that. You know what I mean? You gotta respect that. I think it's dope. I can't wait. Next episode is the finale. We just got introduced to like 4 new people. I cannot believe the season's about to end. This was such a good episode, guys. This was probably one of my favorite episodes. I feel like I got a lot of info. And Makima was so scary in this episode, guys. So scary. She had the eyeballs of their loved ones on the table. And he was like, you're gonna need like a big bribe for me, little lady. And I knew it wasn't a bribe, but I didn't expect it to be that. I'm just shocked. But yeah, that was cool. That was a cool episode. I mean, not that scene. That scene was, I guess it was cool, but it was terrifyingly cool. And how she walked out of that building with like the happiest look on her face and the wind blowing in her hair. You'd think she just like cooked a pie or something. No, she just killed like 8 people. That's all I gotta say right now, guys, is wow. That episode was awesome. We got introduced to so many freaking cool people today. And the Future Devil, so excited and so sad for the next episode. I can't wait, and I can. But mostly I can't. So I hope y'all will join me for the next episode, which is the finale of the first season of Chainsaw Man. I have loved the journey so far. I'm gonna be a little sad when it's over, but we'll get more. It's okay. It's not over yet. I still have one more episode. So hopefully I will see you guys the next episode. It'll be episode 12. I hope you guys have a stellar rest of your night, day, morning, week. And until I see you again, goodbye. I'll see you soon. Shaman.